Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be another all day clean with me whole house cleaning video. You guys have been loving these videos and so I've been trying to put them out as often as possible for you. So today obviously we are going to be cleaning the whole house, and here I'm showing you some of the messy areas in the house. Usually before we get started cleaning, I like to kind of walk you through and just show you some of the mess that we've got going on here in the house. Before we get started with all the cleaning, I want to announce that I'm going to be doing a little giveaway in this video for you guys. So I just got my Simply Earth subscription box in the mail and I decided that I want to give it away to one of you guys. So you could win this box, and here I'm showing you everything that is in it. There's essential oils and recipe cards, and everything that you need to make those recipes is on the recipe cards. So if you want to win this box, it's very simple to enter. All you have to do first, be sure that you are subscribed to my channel because my giveaways are only for my subscribers. So just click that red subscribe button down below and click the bell beside of it to turn on your post notifications, and then give this video a thumbs up and then leave me a comment down below. After you do those three things, you will be entered in the giveaway, and I will have all of the details typed up down below and down in the comments. We are starting off our cleaning in the kitchen today, and the first thing that I do when I clean up the kitchen is I just tidy off the table, and then I work my way around the countertop picking stuff up. I put pans in the sink that need to be washed by hand, and then anything that can be put in the dishwasher I just put on the countertop above the dishwasher, and then I will load it in later once I have all of the countertops and the table cleared off. And Owen had spilled a bunch of scrambled eggs on the floor this morning. If you saw that in the beginning of the video, they were like sprinkled under the table all the way over to his high chair, so I had to get that tidied up. And so once I had all of the countertops and the table picked up, all of those dishes were stacked there by the dishwasher ready to be put in. But of course first I had to empty the dishwasher because it was full of clean dishes. The last thing that I do before I wipe down the countertops is to wash all of the dishes that need to be washed by hand, and dishes and laundry are the two things that seem to never end in a household. And then to wipe down the countertops, the first thing I do is to spray on some multi-surface cleaner, and this is the Miss Meyer's multi-surface spray, and the scent is spiced pumpkin. And if you haven't tried this stuff yet, then I don't know what you're waiting for, especially if you love pumpkin scented stuff. I got the hand soap, the dish soap, and then the spray. You can see it over there by my sink, and it smells amazing. I love washing dishes with it and spraying down my countertops. It just smells like fall. And I get my Miss Meyer's products from the Grove Collaborative website, and with my link that I have down in the description box, you can get a bunch of free stuff with your first order of $20 or more. So if you're going to order from Grove and try out some of the spiced pumpkin scent or try any of the other cleaning products that I'm using today, be sure and use my link so that you can get that free stuff with your first order. The last thing that I'm going to do is to clean the sink, and I love cleaning the sink. There's just something so satisfying after you scrub it with the soap and then you pull out that spray nozzle and you just spray it all down. It's just all nice and shiny and clean. I just love that. And then I'm getting out my Simply Earth box and I'm going to get some essential oils going. I think I diffused orange and tangerine mixed together. It smelled really good. Orange essential oil is one of my favorites, and there is orange essential oil in that box that I'm going to be giving away to one of you guys, so you can try that out if you win the box. So now the kitchen is all clean and we're ready to move on to the next room, but first I have to go around and gather up the laundry. I'm getting my laundry started, and the laundry soap and fabric softener that I'm using is the Method brand from Grove Collaborative, and if I don't say that, then I know I'm going to get questions down in the comments, because whenever I don't say where a cleaning product is from, I always get questions, so that's why I just always explain to you guys where each product is from. And now that there's a load of laundry going in the washer, I'm going to start tidying up the living room areas, and I had Owen pick up these Legos here in the corner because they had dumped them out over there, so I got him to help me tidy up just a little bit. And as you can see, we're currently doing some rearranging in this living room area, hopefully getting a new couch and ottoman and rug and stuff. If you haven't seen that video where we did all of the rearranging and some renovations in this living room area, then I will be sure and link it down below. I'll have it come up here as a card on the screen as well, so you can go and watch that. And after I had the living room areas tidied up, then it was time to vacuum. At this point, my first load of laundry was done, so I put that over into the dryer and got another load of laundry started. I had to do about 3 loads of laundry today and get those folded. And there I was showing you that there was a stack of Legos in the boys' laundry basket. I always have to be sure and go through their clothes when I'm putting them into the washer, because I'll find toys and Legos mixed in with their clothes. Also, I want you guys to let me know down in the comments what you're getting cleaned while you're watching this video. Are you folding laundry? Are you cleaning your whole house like me, or washing dishes? It's always fun to read through those and hear how it motivated you to clean up your house. I got my bathroom cleaned up, and now I am cleaning up the bedroom, made the bed, got some clothes put away, and I wanted to clean off the mirrors and do a little bit of dusting as well. And this cleaner that I'm using on the mirrors, this is not from Grove Collaborative, this is from the website Truman's. I really love their cleaning products as well. The products I'll be using to dust is Pledge Multi-Surface Dusting Spray, and then that blue duster I didn't end up using, but both of those products are from Walmart. And then this duster with the wooden handle is called the Full Circle Microfiber Duster. This is from Grove Collaborative, and it's my favorite duster that I've ever owned. I've had this thing for like a year and a half, and I just got a new replacement for it. You can just pull off the top of it to throw it into the washer, and then it's got two like elastic bands that just hook on the bottom there. Super easy, and it was really nice to have a brand new one now, since, like I said, I've been using the other one for like a year, but I was able to just throw it in the washer when I needed to. Definitely my favorite duster. You can get it on the Grove Collaborative website. So here I am working on more laundry, and I think I actually ended up having to do 4 loads on this day from the look of it. But after I got more laundry started, then I went back to clean up the hall bathroom, and then the last room to clean up after that was going to be the boys' bedroom. At this point, I was definitely feeling really tired of cleaning, but I just tried to push through because I really wanted to have the whole house clean. And this cleaning did take me all day long. Like at the end of this video, when I'm folding laundry at the very end, it will be dark outside because I can't non-stop clean throughout the day. If I could just clean non-stop, then I could get all of this done quickly, but I have 2 kids that I have to take care of throughout the day. I have to make lunch and supper, and so yeah, I'd have to stop and answer emails and messages and do different work things, so I'm not just non-stop cleaning all day long like it looks like in the video. I have to stop and do a lot of things, so it ends up just taking me all day. The bedding that is on my boys' beds, I've been getting a lot of questions about that lately, so I just wanted to say again that it is from Betty's Beds. If I can remember, I will put a link down below. Sometimes I don't always remember to link everything that I say that I will, but I will try to remember to do that. I absolutely love these. For the boys, they can zip them up themselves, or if I make their beds, it's super easy to make them. I actually enjoy making their beds because it's so fun to just zip them up. It just takes like seconds, literally. I just wanted to stop here and say that the reason that you keep seeing Owen running around with that thick winter hat on his head is because I got it in a box the other week from a company, and ever since then he keeps wanting to wear it on his head. He calls it his snow hat. It's so cute to see him running around with this hat on his head. that is going to be it for this all day clean with me video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure and give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new, and don't forget to enter that giveaway. And don't miss next week's video on Wednesday, because it's going to be my first like doing all the things type of a video. There'll be cooking, cleaning, all kinds of stuff in there, so don't miss that. And I'll see you in that video in a few days. Bye.